This product includes wireless, quick, carefree charging. Datalogic. Introducing the breakthrough wireless charging system. For the first time in the handheld readers market, raising the bar of any scanning solutions, while improving top handheld scanners' performance, making it even more powerful and reliable. Welcome to Gryphon 4500 Wireless. Wireless times 2. Wireless charging. No contact, no problems. Wireless communication. The Bluetooth wireless technology. Narrow band, star radio cordless system. Inductive charging system. Superior charging efficiency. No need for cleaning and maintenance. Remarkable reading performance. From near to far faster than ever. Megapixel performance. Distinctive white illumination technology. Endless possibilities. Adjustable position cradle. Presentation horizontal or wall mounting at any time. Unique scan while charging capability. Long-lasting operations. Maximum autonomy. Top reliability. Non-stop performance. Extreme flexibility. Superior scanning and depth of field. Extended radio range, user-replaceable battery, no tools. Smart battery management. 24/7 activity up to 80,000 reads per charge, up to 80 hours continuously operating. Superior design, unbeatable user feedback. Cutting-edge design. User-friendly ergonomics. Green spot patented, 3 green lights patented. All the best features of the Gryphon 4500. Not simply wireless, but wireless times 2. Datalogic empower your vision.